Hey guys, this is Jono from Optizen AI. This is just a quick video to let you guys know of a new release of our Optizen AI Shopify app. This is a feature that has been requested quite a bit by users of the app. And essentially, we've added the functionality to export and import collections via a CSV file, and also export and import your tag pages if you're using the tag pages for sub-collection feature. As you know, Shopify allows the default functionality to export and import products via CSV. So now you're able to do this with collections and also tags and sub-collections. It's pretty simple to use. I'll just go through it very quickly. We also have some support videos and documentation on the optizenapp.com website. So you can just click on go here or go to the optizenapp.com website and you'll see the support documentation there for this new feature. It's available on all Pro and Enterprise plans and it should be available in your dashboard now. So we'll just quickly look at collections. So under the collections tab here, you can now see there are two new tabs, CSV import, CSV export. And the first time you want to use it, you just want to make sure you sync all your collections. And then if you make any changes, you can sync your collections as well. But essentially, once you've synced, you can then just export either the Optizen modified collections or all collections. The difference between those is explained in the support documentation, but it's pretty self-explanatory. And then once you've done that and refreshed your page, you'll have this download link here. And this is a link that you can just export that CSV file. So if we just have a look at the files that actually is exported, you can see here there's only a few rows. We export the handle, the collection, the SEO title, SEO description, top content, bottom content, show on all pages, and that's it for collections. So also the top and bottom content, which is your description, is the ability where you can add HTML. So it'll export the HTML if you have HTML included in those sections, but you can also add HTML when you're going to re-import this back if you're making updates. So you can make updates in bulk and changing the SEO title, a collection name, description, top content, bottom content, etc. So not only really good for backups and having something on your local machine for your collections and all your data is secure then, but also making changes in bulk just like you can with products. And then very simply, you can just come to import and you can just add in add a name to your import, and then you upload your file. So once you've added your file under the choose file section and you've given it a name, then you go and fetch all the data and it populates the data, so you can just double check that it's all correct. And then all you need to do is scroll down and click import and all your collections will be updated. You can also add new collections if you wish using the same template, so you can very quickly create a number of collections if you wish. If you're building a new store, for example, or you're just wanting to add a large number of collections. Very similar for tags. If we go to tags here, we've got our two new tabs, CSV import and export. So with tag management and exporting your tags, again, you need to sync all your data first and make sure you sync the data with the Optizen app. Now, this can take quite a lot longer than syncing your collections. The reason being is if you've got a lot of tags and then you've got a lot of collections and there's all the combinations of tags and collections, then you can end up with many thousands or at times hundreds of thousands of combinations. So depending on how large your store is, this can take a bit of time. If you do want to check, you can click the sync button again, and just like this demo store here, it'll tell you that the sync is already in progress. So you won't see the actual, if you tried to export this now, you'll actually just get a blank CSV template. But once it's complete, then if you click on export, then you get your new export CSV. Okay, so here we have a sample export template that's been downloaded from a particular store. So here we've got the handle of the collection. So the handle of the collection that the tag's attributed to, the collection name again, full collection URL, and then you have the tag column, SEO title, SEO description, H1 page title, top content, and bottom content. So it's very similar to the collection template with the only exception of having the core URL and the the tag column in here. So again, you can make changes, add HTML if you want, or just leave it as plain text. Anything you leave blank just simply won't be added when you upload. So then you can just go through, make the changes you require. Again, you can create new tag pages with this template as well. Come over to the import and exactly the same. Give it a name, upload your file, click fetch, check the data, and then click the import button, and all the tags will be updated. So again, for both tags and collections, a great way to not only simply back up and have a data on your local machine, but the ability now to update in bulk and have all your collections and tags easily accessible within your CSV sheets to make changes. Okay, hope that makes sense. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go and check it out and install it into your Shopify store. Thanks. Any questions, obviously reach out, and we're more than happy to help. And we'll see you in the next video.